not just for 5, 10, 50, but 500 and 1,000 startups. So it had to be meticulously done, process driven, and absolutely a transparent process. So we have onboarded there, where Saatchi Connect has brought us with a product specially customized for Rover, and we are working on a detailed R&D with them, how to make the complete process digitalized and self-motivated, self-moved, where all of you mentors, investors, the complete ecosystem can be engaged with each other in the best way possible. We can access all kind of knowledge sharing sessions, even across the country and even in internal communications, and can map and match the monthly reviews and growth pattern charts through this SaaS-based technology, where an over would be available for all of us now henceforward. Also, we've come out with an acceleration model. I'm thankful to have diligent team members who are ready to do a lot of R&D with us. So, having read a lot of reports that have come across right from McKinsey to EY to Hotel Innovation Mission to Medi Startup Hub and meeting various incubator founders and investors, we realized that there's a process-driven approach that's required. We've gone through a lot of due diligence formats and have come out with our own due diligence formats, onboarding formats, assessment and review report formats, readiness indexes for various situations, how a founder and when a founder is ready to begin to scale up, to have his brand book, to go for a GTM, to go for investments. Those kind of documents we prepared. I'm thankful to have young analysts like Udita with us, who was on a break from her course at LUS, and she was a very integral part of these information where she's helped me particularly in forming all those detailed processes. So now we will be taking you through a very rigorous process of acceleration. Incorporated analytical tools for startups, investors, their compatibilities, their readiness, and their due diligence processes. Also at the same time, we have added to our portfolio or our acceleration activities a product studio, where we believe that our strength is in forming and making startups. So we have entered into Jaipur's and I would say Rajasthan's first product studio with Rover, where we would be having majority shareholding of the startups with us, equity with us, and we believe and we work like a promoter and a founder along with a detailed execution team. And our investors can be absolutely free from their issues and problems of understanding the way forward, because day one we come up with a detailed asset management software, asset management process, where we fabricate, we understand a problem statement, create an idea statement, find the best founding executing team for that idea, have a detailed layout plan for 2 years for a particular startup idea, and we promote it as a product studio at Rover. Currently, we have onboarded 3 product studios and products, that is the startups into Rover, and we plan to take this up to some 8 products into our studio for this financial year. For the acceleration model and with Saatchi Connect, now that we are becoming big and we have digitalized process and detailed analytical reports with us, we would be expanding from 20 startups to approximately 40 startups in the current financial year, and we are all set and ready to do all. This is the kind of a dashboard that you will see that Saatchi Connect has provided us with, where all our startups, investors, corporates, mentors, service providers are available. Their interactions, their review programs, their detailed analytics, all will be available. Each one of us can have our own ERP logins, and we would be able to generate reports, we would be able to generate and interact with each other in a more transparent manner. And friends, I'm sure, as all of us do think, कि हम जितना कर रहे हैं उतना ही we must also return to the society. And in that same framework, we have also formulated Innover Foundation, which will be a Section 8 non-profit arm of Innover, taking care of all kind of entrepreneurial skill development activities and knowledge sharing and educational content, which goes from Innover to people at large, founders, investors, and ecosystem builders. We have launched ISSI, we call it fondly ISI, that is Innover Startup Support Initiative, through which we are running regular programs to have better outreach and understanding amongst our stakeholders. So, the plan forward for next 9 months. Yes, we have another chalked out detailed plan, getting one of India's best as our partners. Friends, we have India's biggest company, Shebang, who are termed as the biggest GTM players, business analysts from the country who joined hands with us to come up and enter the startup ecosystem with a rigorous boot camp which we'll be holding on a national level for founders to understand how their GTM plan goes. We've got Vicky Flo on panel who are empowering us to come up with our inclusivity indexes. That is, we will be doing women entrepreneurship events with them. We also have with us Forex. Forex Fair is very soon coming into the country. Forex has collaborated with us and we will be taking care of B2C startups and all kind of craft-based startups along with Forex and EPCH for that matter. Sanchi Connect is India's biggest deep tech accelerator also. So we've combined with them and collaborated to come up with deep tech acceleration in Rajasthan. So we will be coming up with that forte of Rajasthan, D2C and craft, one of the biggest forte which Rajasthan has always had. So Innover would be taking a flagship program in that, where Government of India, Development Commissioner of Handicrafts, Forex and EPCH have joined hands with Innover to introduce the D2C summit to Rajasthan, where we believe that go-to-market strategies and growth can be done only through a learned and a well-thought approach. So Shabang has joined hands. Deep Tech, which was never a part as so-called of Rajasthan. We've got Sanchi Connect, India's biggest deep tech accelerators, to join hands to get it with us on the floor for Rajasthan. And our old friends, Meti Startup Hub, Bits Pilani, IHMR Startups, GEM is always with us, and Code Edu, who will be taking up these events and projects. We have a crafted B2C summit coming up in August, a MedTech conclave, which is on request of some of our investors only. He's on his way. So we will be coming up with a MedTech conclave, a woman entrepreneurship cohort, 3-stage, very detailed cohort, deep tech workshop, GTM boot camp, and we're coming up with Campus X with Inc. 42, which is another big launch for the country, which will be for campus incubators primarily. With this, we plan to achieve 40 plus startups for our acceleration program as planned, 5 plus startups for our Providence Studio, outreach of more 1500 startup founders, onboard 30 plus mentors, which we have already aligned with. I'll be happy to host you for the next event with national level founders coming on board on Innover. Next 15 days, I'm planning to go on a spree of signing those assignments because that has already been logged for all these events and regularly mentorship. Some of the unicorns coming on our list, guys. Keep your hearts attached with them. 20 plus new investors who are coming in, especially from the founder segments, who believe in the acceleration process and are deeply interested into the young incubation platforms, who are coming up on the list also with us, and ecosystem partners from national scenario and international. And that is how I've planned this complete game plan for next 9 months. So with this, we plan to go forward. Next slide, please. This is the picture that my CA has put to me, and I'm happy to share with all of you. We began with a soft launch in November. January 24th, with all your supports, we started a round of 10 CR, declared our valuation. And today, the valuation stands on 50 CR with a validated report, and Innover has broken all charts for all of you. And our asset value today stands at 50 crores. And with all of it that we will do in the next 9 months, we are sure to reach 150. We may break those barriers too. So need all your support and assistance and guidance to reach there. To do this, as the CEO and founder to Innover, I have done my game, and now I'm handing the baton to the next team, where we have strong people. We started with myself, Digvijay, Shiva and Omkar sir as the chief mentor and patron. And we have on charts now Shivam, who's taken up as the CEO Acceleration Program. He forgot to tell you that he's an MBA in entrepreneurship from Babson. Why I say that is that for years I was telling people that I believe into processes and theories. Practicals can happen the best when you go into the theory way. And that is what we got Shivam with us to do for. Disha Toshniwal, who's joined us as investor, Director Investments and Compliances, with a huge background and working at Mumbai, Delhi and International Investments, handling the legal, compliances, financial analysis, and even Series A and Series B rounds. We have Disha with us as a corporate consultant and a financial analyst. So all our startup founders should be happy that now you're in a safe zone. Someone can actually tell you, मैं अकेली नहीं डांटने वाली हूँ, 2 लोग और हैं डांटने के लिए. So they will be taking you and pulling you forward and connecting you to institutional investors, bigger investments, compliances, and prepare us for a more robust journey. And the newbie in the town, Gaurav Gupta, who's joined as Director Growth and Business Development. Gaurav comes with an immense background of almost 15 plus years. 8 years बोल देते हैं, चलो ठीक है, क्योंकि पहले 2-4 साल में इधर घूम रहा था. He has head and he has been the growth strategy analyst for startups like Sunstone and Extramarks.
I've been for Extramarks in the growth and looking after the complete growth at Sunstone, like bringing it to journey from a 0 to 1.